Hey guys, what is up? Today I'll just be telling y'all my 2018 goals. They're not going to be too small and they're not going to be too big. They're going to be just regular size. Hopefully y'all like this video. Guys, I would appreciate it if y'all could turn on that subscribe button and get the notification bell on and like my video. But hope y'all enjoy. I'm just going to be doing probably 5 or 3. Thank y'all for the support right now. We're at 3 subscribers, I'm pretty sure. It's not too big, it's funny. But I just started YouTube. My number one goal is to at least reach 50 or 100 subscribers. This year at least. Maybe even more if y'all could show me a lot of support. And then 2, my bad. Sorry guys. I'm just so excited to record. 2 is probably going to be to at least get 100 likes overall on my whole channel. Not on a video, just on my whole channel. And 3 is probably going to be to at least hit 1 million on Jailbreak. As y'all know, I really like this game. And right now I'm playing it and just tell y'all my goals right now, so y'all can watch me at least, not just talk. And yeah. And number 4 is at least probably collab with some YouTubers. They're not gonna be too big. It's a thing. I'll just find some people. Maybe some big YouTubers might want to collab, but probably not. I will try. I will try my best. And number 5. This is not going to be a long video, but number 5 is probably, let me see. Number 5 is copyright, turn that off. Let's go arrest him because copyright. Just because of that. Let's go get this guy. Number 5 is to at least get on Roblox catalog, to at least get the Roblox Death Speaker. That will be great. I would love that. I would appreciate if y'all helped me out getting that. Oh no, I'm about to die. Okay. And I think that will be it for this video, unless I might just like talk and play a little bit. And oh yeah, and number 6 is this is probably gonna be the last one. I just want to say at least I want to get this 105 up to 500. If y'all could do that, that would be a really amazing. I would appreciate it so much. And yeah, let's just go and bust the bank really quickly. Did that girl just TP? I don't think so. Right, no music. Let's just head over to the bank, bust that bank robbery, and then I'll probably start recording at like 5 minutes. But thank y'all for the support. 3 subscribers means a lot to me right now, but because I just started YouTube, hopefully y'all could like do anything possible. Get some people, get some of your friends to watch these videos, subscribe to me, and that would be amazing. And yeah, let's bust this robbery and then I'll stop recording. Probably just gonna change out my hair to black or red. I'll see if I could get the red hair or the red charmer hair. One of them killed me. Oh no, no clipper. No clipper. Yes. Let's see. Oh! Why did I get in this car? Okay, I guess I'll take this car actually. Well, I'll probably start recording. Guys, thank y'all for the support once again. And bye. Peace out, YouTube.